lose belly fat fast. Here a secret most dietitians don't tell you. Protein is your ultimate fat burning weapon. But not all protein is created equal. Some food pack the punch of speed up metabolism, control craving, and target that stubborn abdominal fat. Number 1, high protein food, salmon. Let's start with the powerhouse salmon. This fatty fish is loaded with high quality protein and omega 3 fatty acids, both of which help regulate hormones that control appetite. Omega 3s also reduce inflammation, which can prevent the body from storing excess fat around your midsection. A 100-gram serving of salmon provide about 22 gram of protein and keep you full 4 hours. The protein helps preserve muscle mass while you are losing weight, meaning your metabolism stay active. Tip: grill or bake salmon with herbs and lemon for a delicious fat burning dinner. And here a bonus. Studies shows eating salmon twice a week can visibly reduce waist circumferences over time. Stick around because at the end I will reveal one bonus protein source that work wonder for fat loss, especially if you are busy and always on the go. Number 2, turkey breast. If you thought chicken breast was the only lean poultry worth eating, think again. Turkey breast is equal high in protein but often over even linear. In fact, a 100-gram serving has 29 gram of protein and less than 2 gram of fat. This makes it an incredible choice for boosting metabolism and staying satisfying without adding unnecessary calories. The amino acid in turkey also help your body recover faster after workout, meaning more muscle and more fat burn. Pro tip: use ground turkey in stir fry soups or lettuce wrap for a low carb, high protein meal. Number 2, tuna. Tuna is another lean, high protein fish that perfect for fat loss. It's rich in protein but very low in fat, making it ideal if you are trying to create a calorie deficit without losing muscle. A single can of tuna contains around 25 gram of protein and almost no carb. This is why bodybuilders love it. It's pure muscle fuel. But here's the secret: pairing tuna with fiber rich veggies or whole grains keep you full even longer, reducing the urge for sugary snacks. And for those worried about mercury, choose light canned tuna in moderation or go for fresh yellowfin tuna when possible. Number 4, quinoa. Yes, quinoa is technically a seed, but it acts like a whole grain and it's one of the few plant based foods that are complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. A cup of cooked quinoa has 8 gram of protein plus fiber and magnesium, which help regulate blood sugar level. Stable blood sugar means fewer craving, especially for sweets and processed carbs that lead to belly fat. Swap your white rice or pasta for quinoa a few times a week and you'll notice how much longer you stay full and how your waistline start to shrink. Number 5, Greek style skyr Icelandic yogurt. We are avoiding regular yogurt since you are probably already heard about it. But here a twist. Icelandic skyr, it's similar to Greek yogurt but even thicker and higher in protein, which about 17 gram per 170 gram serving. It's naturally low in sugar and packed with calcium for bone health. The creamy texture make it feel indulgent, but it's lean protein source that help reduce appetite. Add berries and chia seeds for extra fiber and you have got powerful fat burning breakfast snack. Number 6, lean beef. Grass-fed lean beef is an underrated protein source for fat loss. It's not just about protein, it's also rich in iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, which help your body burn fat more efficiently. 100 gram of lean beef gives you around 26 gram of protein. The key is portion control. Stick to 3-4 ounce per meal and choose cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or lean ground beef. Fun fact: studies shows people who eat lean red meat as part of a balanced diet lose more weight compared to those who avoid it as long as they control their calorie intake. Number 7, edamame soya bean. Finally, for the plant-based eaters out there, edamame. These young soya bean are high in protein and fiber, making them a double treat against belly fat. A cup of cooked edamame has 18 grams of protein and is packed with antioxidants. The protein keeps your metabolism running high while the fibers slow digestion, keeping you full and satisfied. Snack on steamed edamame with a sprinkle of sea salt or toss them into salad for an easy protein boost. Bonus tip, and here's the bonus: whey protein powder. While not technically a food, it's a convenient and effective way to increase your protein intake, especially if you are busy. A single scoop gives you 20 to 25 grams of protein with minimal calories. Studies shows that adding whey protein to your diet can significantly reduce belly fat when combined with regular exercise and calorie controlled diet. Remember, protein it's not just about building muscle, it's the secret weapon for burning stubborn belly fat, controlling craving, and keeping your metabolism active. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle with weight loss? Is it craving, lack of time, or sticking to a diet? Let me know in the comment. I read every single one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science backed tips to help you look and feel your best.